The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is the lead ship of the Gerald R. Ford class, the newest and most advanced aircraft carrier class in the U.S. Navy. Built by Newport News Shipbuilding and commissioned in 2017, it operates from Norfolk, Virginia. Weighing about 100,000 tons and measuring 1,106 feet long, the carrier can exceed 30 knots and hosts over 5,000 personnel. The Gerald R. Ford introduces major innovations: EMALS, electromagnetic launch system, for smoother, more efficient aircraft launches; advanced arresting gear for safer recoveries; dual-band radar for superior tracking and defense; A-1B nuclear reactors providing increased power for current and future systems, including potential laser weapons. Capable of hosting up to 75 aircraft, the carrier can accommodate up to 75 aircraft and can be equipped with drones, enhancing its air combat capabilities. After years of testing, it completed its first full Atlantic deployment in 2023, operating alongside NATO allies. The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, represents a new era of naval power, combining advanced technology, greater efficiency, and unmatched capability, ensuring U.S. dominance on the seas well into the future.